Hello everyone, welcome back to this chapter Handling Email with PHP. In today's session, we will see structure of an email message. Everyone know that the email messages, we are sending email messages. See, in this diagram, here is a from. Okay, here is a from to CC, BCC, subject, then text, and you can attach the attachment also. So this is just a format. The structure of email message consists of headers followed by the body of the messages and may also include separate file as attachment. You can attach the files. RFC, request for comments. RFC 2822 provides definition for the composition of email messages. See, the standard providing you a definition for composition of email messages. It defines a message as being composed of ASCII characters. See, we are using ASCII characters divided into lines of character with each line ending with /r or /n, that is CRLF. Okay, you can use the /r carriage written or the /n as a new line. As we are writing the message, see, here is a different components are also there, that is from to CC. In from, we are writing our email address to recipient email address. What is mean by CC, BCC? We are not using this field regularly, but these fields are also important. Here CC means carbon copy. It allows you to send the same mail messages to multiple recipients at the same time. And there is one more field is BCC, that is means blind carbon copy. Next one is blind carbon copy. Okay, it allows the sender to send the same messages to multiple recipients without letting them know that some other person has also received the same message. Means, suppose you have registered for the one webinar or one program and you will get a message for the schedule of this program. Okay, you got one message, schedule of program. See, if the sender have written your name, all the names in a CC or in a BCC, if written in a CC, then same message will deliver to all, but everyone will know that this message is sent to this participant. And when you are writing the name in BCC, means at that time you will feel like this message is only for you. Okay, because BCC means a blind carbon copy. And here is a meaning fields also. The fields of header fields of email messages are from. Okay, this is a required field. It contains the address of the sender, means from. Next one is trace. Trace means what? Include recent date, recent from, recent to, etc. and is used when a message is recent. See, when we are using this, when you are resending this message, so at the time of recent it will shows you, it is includes the recent date, from, then to, etc. this information. The next is sender. This is also the header field, contains a single address from which mail is being sent. Okay, means the sender. Reply to. Reply to contains an optional reply to your address. Then next is CC, as I explained. CC means carbon copy and BCC means blind carbon copy. Next is message ID. This is also the optional field. See, these are the optional fields, but every message should have one. It contains unique message ID. When you are sending the message, you don't know about this, but for each and every message there is a message ID. In reply to, this is also the optional field, one or more message identifier. The next one is references. References is also the optional, one or more message ID. One or more message ID. The next is subject. This is also optional. You can send mail without subject also. See, when you are entering the information to then subject and message body and send button is there. So when you are inserting the information too, so it will ask you, when you are clicking on the send button, it will ask you there is a no subject, you want to send without the subject or not. So it will confirm from you, and then it will go to the next steps. You can add the comments. This is also the optional part. Comment about the body of the message. The next one is keywords. It is also optional. Keywords comma separated that the user might find important. You can add the keyword as per your requirement. Next is optional. Optional means its content is unspecified. So these are the different options, these are the different fields, header fields. Okay. So in this part we learn about the structure of email message. See, this is just a example internet image I have taken in this. And next is different parts, means the different components of your email message. This is all about the structure of an email message when you are sending the message to anyone. Thank you.